These are my top 5 vaults on Beefy Finance. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I like to cover a variety of different projects on this channel, from the real degen projects to blue chips to low market cap gems that can do a 25 to 50x in a bull run. I'm going to cover just about all of those in this particular video. We're going to look at Beefy Finance's vaults. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. If you're familiar with this channel, you know that Beefy Finance is one of my favorite DeFi projects, if not my favorite. Today, we're going to look at the top 5 Beefy Finance vaults, in my opinion. And we're going to start with the staked version of the token with the token in a liquidity pair. What that means is that half of the liquidity pair is a liquid staking token, such as, like, if we look at ETH, half of this liquidity pair is staked ETH on Curve, and the other half is the regular Ethereum. So you are getting the staking APR as well as you're getting the liquidity pair APY and the auto compounding vault. So with this, you're getting whatever percentage that they give you on Curve of your staked ETH, plus you're getting the liquidity pair APY, that's 22.01%. If we look down the line here, we got Polkadot has got a couple different pools, staked MATIC and MATIC. That's one of the ones that I'm in that I like a lot. BNB X and BNB, that's another one that's staked BNB. That's a liquid token. Another one I like a lot is the avax LP. And I don't think you can see that. I think my head's in the way here, but if we click on it, you get 6.32% APY. You're getting yield from the LP pair, as well as you're getting yield from the avax, which is staked, which is getting you yield as well. So that's why I like these, because you're getting yield from the staked avax or the staked MATIC or the staked Ethereum. And then when you put it in the LP, then you're getting auto compounding APY as well. The second one I wanted to point out is on the Fantom network, and it is the Battle of the Bands Remastered. This one's really cool. I just wish they would take Solana out and put something else in its place. But if you look, it's distributed of 5 different blue chip tokens. You're getting equal part of Fantom, MATIC, Solana, avax, BNB. This is a really cool vault in my opinion. I just wish they would take Solana out and put like ADA or ATOM would be a good one to put into its place. But that's the way it is right now. So I guess we just got to deal with Solana being in there. But it's getting 18.37% APY. And you're getting a really good mixture of different blue chips. The third one I wanted to show was this ATOM USDT LP, which I think is really cool because you're getting 33.96% APY auto compounded, and you're just splitting Cosmos ATOM token with USDT. So I thought that was a really good one if you want to accumulate more ATOM token, and you would have not a ton of impermanent loss, but a little bit. But you're pairing your ATOM token with a stable coin. The next one is a little more risky, but I think this project's an up and comer. I think it'll do really well. It's the Giddy project, which if we take a look at it, it's actually really cool. It's an app for your phone. There's multiple ways to earn yield on it. And also it's like a wallet slash kind of like a DeFi app built into it. I don't want to totally go into the whole thing, but we could take a look. It's on the App Store. There is a waiting line. I'm waiting in line to get this app on my phone, but it looks really cool. It looks like something that might do really well next bull run or going into next bull run. But they do have a bunch of different things on here to earn yield right on your phone in this wallet, which is really cool. If we look at the token itself, I think I have it up here. It's been doing really well. It's about it got almost up to 3 cents, and it's about 2.5 cents now. And that pool is APY is ridiculous. It's 758.07% APY. You're getting almost, well, more than 0.5% daily. The market cap on this coin is still tiny. It's, I think, 25 million now. It's at 2 cents, so you know it could go quite a bit higher. You know, not financial advice. I don't know for sure, but I could see it doing probably, you know, a 3 to 4x. It very easily could. These are just the pools that I found that I like. There's just always more on here. So if you go on here, you can look around. There might be some stuff that you like better. The last ones I want to show you are on Arbitrum. I really like Arbitrum. I've been on there recently looking at different things. There's some pretty cool coins on there. The one that caught my eye was the GMX USDC pool, 59.49% APR or APY. GMX is huge. I think it's going to do really well in the future. Getting 59.49% APY is crazy for that token. That's 0.128% daily. There's also, I think, a GMX where you could do it by itself. I can find that. Maybe not. I think it might. Oh yeah, I think if we go to single assets, there we go. GMX, you can get 3.53% APY auto compounded by itself. Arbitrum's just a really easy way to get access to all the Ethereum coins without paying the fees. So I've been trying it out quite a bit. And there's one more on here that I wanted to show you. It's like a LP. Yeah, here it is. A GLP, the GMX GLP. And it's got a mixture of all these coins, which is really cool. It's got USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, a bunch of different stable coins. It's got Chainlink, Uniswap, all in one LP. It's top heavy in USDC, so it's fairly safe for a bear market, but you are getting exposure to, you know, some of the other blue chips like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Chainlink, and Uniswap. Those are my 5 favorite vaults. I did more than 5 on there, I think, but there's 18 different networks on here. So there's something here for everyone. And the way that they have it set up where you can search is really cool, in my opinion. If you got this far in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. That helps out the channel tremendously. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.